Hello XUV 700.
Functions of App Drawer. App Drawer in your XUV 700 can be accessed by swiping up the infotainment screen. App Drawer displays all the applications available in infotainment system. Add folder. User can add new folder and drag existing apps into new folder. Climate control. Dual automatic temperature control functions can be controlled through climate control. Connected apps. Manufacturer update, OTA surprises, personalized safety and calendar can be accessed through it. Documents. Digital copies of documents like driving license, vehicle RC, etc. can be stored here. Download Manager. Updates for apps in infotainment can be done through it. Drive modes. Users can shift between 4 drive modes, namely Zip, Zap, Zoom, Custom mode. Gallery. Photos and videos stored in My Drive and USB devices can be viewed in it. Horoscope. User can view daily fortune based on zodiac sign. Just Dial. User can search for nearby restaurants, petrol pumps, emergency services, etc. My Drive Manager, XUV 700, has 1.9 GB of My Drive storage. Users can save songs and videos in it. My SUV Info. User can know vehicle details and store documents in digital format. News Update. Users can read daily news fetched from India Today. Owner's Manual. Soft copy of Owner's Manual and Infotainment Manual can be accessed. Surround View System. User can view video feeds from SVS cameras in infotainment. Travel Explorer. Powered by Thrilophilia, user can find nearby hotels, famous location, attractions, etc. User Profile. It can be used to personalize infotainment settings for different user profiles. Weather Update. Powered by AccuWeather, user can get weather update based on GPS location. Software Update. OTA updates for infotainment system can be done here. Ticker Tape. User can get updates on stocks and market trends. EcoSense. It provides EcoScore based on users' driving behavior.